Okay, so now we're working on accomplishing something important. My initiative. So what the heck's an initiative? An initiative is either a key performance indicator, a number that you want to improve, or usually a number, or it's a project, which is you want to accomplish something by a certain date. Okay, those are what I call initiatives. So if you have initiatives, when you click on the My Initiative tabs, if it's showing that you have some in here, and mine are way too many, you're supposed to have no more than three. What that means is you've either been selected or volunteered. Either way, you're part of a team of people who are trying to accomplish something that matters. And how do I know it matters? Because when a company or an organization, and that's where these are from, these are not your individual initiatives, these are from an organization. Okay, when a company or organization decides to get focused, they decide who they are, what they're going to do, and things along those lines, and then they decide what measurements really matter. Those are key performance indicators, and what projects they're going to need to do. And then when they have something picked out, then they form a team to accomplish that. Well, they decided before they ask you to be part of the team that it is important. Now you're working with other people to do something that matters. Whoa, hey, your job just has meaning. That is fantastic. And that is what the My Initiatives page is all about. Now, I'll just go into a little bit more detail. Yes, this is a big, maybe somewhat complex grid, but you can see, you'll be able to look at it and say, figure out what these columns mean. And there are um, courses to explain them, or even buttons, that type of stuff to explain them. You'll figure it out, and your teammates will show you. Now, if you pick on one of these, you click the name, then it opens up and it has milestones. Those are the brown things, and task. And you can look over here because you're part of the team. You can look at this thing and you can see, why is this important? And they filled it out, or you've been part of it, hopefully. What does success look like? Who, this is incredibly important. Who's involved and what are your roles? And you have a right to know exactly what your role is. All right. What resources are needed. You could put a budget in there, that type of stuff. Does it align with the organization's values? That's what alignment means. And is it approved and ready to go? And then you start doing these tasks. And these tasks in here, some of them are going to have your name on them. And when they have your name on them, guess what? They show up under your day master in the night and the My Task thing. It all works together. But here's the point, several. You're on a team to accomplish something that matters. That means once a week, and it's part of the weekly planning, you need to come here and make sure you're doing your part, that you know what you're doing, that it matters. You're helping the team complete its goal and mission, and they're helping you. Clarity, teamwork, this is where it all happens. And hopefully, you're going to have a meeting every week, and you're going to tell people what you did last week, what you're going to do this week, and everybody else on the team is going to do the same. It's kind of like prepping for a football game. Okay, so that's what initiatives are, and they're organized at the arena or organization level, but these are yours. These are the ones that you're on the team for. Now go out there and make a difference for the team.